Who know the answer? Clearly explain about that topic. Which question I am asking that question? Are you what you understand? Explain. Okay, na?
Okay, madam.
Yes.
Okay, madam.
I can. How are you understand the question? I can write on the blackboard directly. Ask with the question.
Directly ask with
Question. Okay. You all are agree with it, Nani? All of you?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yes, now I start the based upon our tenses topic. You all are, I hope you all are very, very intelligent student. Say yes or no?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Only one person say yes.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yes, right. Very
Yes, madam.
good. Yes, keep rocking the class, Nani. Okay, now?
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
First question, I go temple. Which tense? Don't copy, don't ask with others. I go temple. First, which tense? I am asking which tense. I go temple. This is which tense?
Simple present tense.
Yes, very
Simple present
good. Very
tense.
good. Already Varshini explained that which tense. Don't say other children. Okay, na? Fastly you can explain the reply the answer. Remaining children keep quiet. Okay, na?
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
Yes, very good. Varshini, are you reply the answer, Nani? You only? Varshini,
Yes,
you only?
madam.
Yes, you only give the answer this I go temple
Yes,
simple
madam.
present tense. Yes, very good. Yes, so this is the simple present tense.
Present tense.
How you can say like that? This is the simple present tense. Say the structure formation.
Subject
Subject plus
V1
V1 plus
plus
object.
object.
Subject plus verb.
Verb
Verb
One
plus object.
object.
Don't say to V1. Verb 1. Call it to verb 1.
One.
Okay, now
One.
Varshini?
Okay, madam.
Yes.
Okay, madam.
Next, second question.
Okay, madam.
I am going school. Don't observe with other fair notes. Only here are you observe the question. Directly you reply the answer. Don't copy them. Yes, I am going school. Which tense?
Present continuous tense.
Present?
Continuous tense.
Yes. Who said that one? Present continuous tense?
Varalakshmi.
Yes, very good, Nani. So say the structure.
Subject plus I'm or are plus
Yes.
V4 plus object.
Subject plus am or is are. Okay, na? Am
Okay, madam.
asadamma, is asadi. Same like that are. A-R-E, not in O-R. Okay, na?
Okay. Okay, madam.
Am, is, are plus V for ing form. V1 ing form goes to V4 means
V4.
verb 4.
Four.
Next then, what is that one finally add with a object.
Object.
Okay, you all are understand? Yes, remaining.
Yes, madam.
Yes, remaining children
Yes.
today only they listen the class. Who's that? Boys only. Boys, keep quiet your mind and in previous class you copy on your specially maintain the fair notes. That is the grammar fair notes. Okay, now ask with your friends and take the screenshot and maintain the special notes. Today who joined the class? I think boys, new children, boys are joined with today class. Abhishek. Are you hear my voice? Abhishek? Yes. Children, so remaining example, I give the homework. I hope you all are right on the your fair notes.
Yes, madam.
Say yes or
Yes,
no.
madam.
Only one person only write the remaining example, their structures
Yes,
on your
madam.
fair note. Yes. I'm asking the question.
Yes,
You one
madam.
by one say yes or no. Yes, madam. I write on the remaining example in my notes. Say like this, not yes, not no. Okay, na? Yes, ma'am. I write
ma'am.
on my notes in the remaining other
Exam.
examples in my notes. I copy it, ma'am. Say like that. Okay, na?
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
Don't use with on shortly. Say yes or no. I'm asking that time only you say yes or no. That's it. Okay, na? Yes.
Okay, madam.
So, shall I
Okay,
start the
madam.
class? Shall I now start the class?
Start,
Yes,
madam.
madam.
So, finally, Nani, finally, your fair notes total structure, their examples completed previous classes. But today, we draw the another tree diagram. One tree diagram, are you draw it, Nani? Previous
Madam,
class.
draw it.
Yes, say yes. Draw it or not?
Yes,
Drawn,
madam.
ma'am. Yes. So, like this, you divide with three parts. Why I divide with three parts? Why we draw the one box? Tree diagram, like that tree diagram. Easily, how you can easily understand the topics. That's why I divide with three parts. So, I am asking one by one. So, you give the answers. First one. First tense, which tense? First tense. Present tense. Say. Present tense.
Present tense.
Second one. Past tense.
Present tense.
Third
Past
one.
tense,
Future tense.
Future tense.
Say.
Future tense.
First one.
Future tense.
First one.
Past.
Present.
Present tense.
Past
Yeah.
tense. Present tense.
Yes. Second one.
Past tense.
Past tense.
Third one.
Future tense.
Future tense.
Yes. Future tense.
Tense.
So, in that, present tense, past tense, future tense, we divide with how many parts? Say,
Four
Three
parts.
parts.
three parts we divide. No, in that
Four
present
parts.
tense, how many parts?
No, four parts.
Four parts.
Four parts, yes. So,
Four parts.
yes, present tense we divide with four parts. Past tense we divide with four parts. Future
parts.
tense we divide with
Four
four
parts.
parts.
Four
So,
parts.
here in that present tense, first tense, what is that one? Simple?
Simple present tense.
Yes.
Simple present tense.
Yes, simple present
Present
tense.
tense.
So, here very shortly
Present
I write it.
tense.
Shortly I write it. Simple present tense you write your fair note. Okay, na? Not I am.
Okay, madam.
I am not writing here only. Okay, na? You write your must and should mention the tense also. Okay, na?
Okay, madam.
Second one. Say. Second
Present
part.
perfect tense.
Present continuous tense.
Perfect
Present
tense.
perfect tense is second
Perfect
one.
Present continuous tense.
Yes, very good. Present continuous.
Continuous tense.
Continuous tense.
Once observe in my pronunciation. Continuous.
Continuous.
Yes, very good.
Continuous.
Yes. Say all of you once again. Present continuous.
Continuous.
Totally. Total pronunciation.
Continuous.
Not in
Present
continuous word.
continuous.
Total.
Present
Present
continuous.
continuous.
Continuous tense.
Say once again all of
Present
you.
continuous.
Present continuous tense.
Yes, right. Third one.
Present continuous tense.
Third one.
Present perfect.
Perfect
Yes.
tense.
Present
Present perfect.
Perfect
perfect.
tense.
Perfect tense.
Okay, na? You write on your fair note to tense. I am not writing the blackboard, Nani. I don't have the extra place. That's why. Okay, na? Fourth one. Say fourth one.
Present perfect continuous tense.
Continuous tense.
Very
Present
good.
perfect continuous tense.
Yes, stop it. Present perfect
Continuous tense.
continuous tense. Yes, now are you Now are you understand very well present tense total topic structures, examples and parts? Okay now? Is there any doubt present tense topic? Today who joined the newly online class? Remaining children I am asking. New student not I am asking. Only old previous class who listened the previous class the students tells Nani. Is there any doubts to present tense?
No, madam.
సే అమ్మా మీకు చెప్పడం రాకపోతే మేడం నో అయినా చెప్పండి ఏం ఏం రిప్లై ఇవ్వకుండా ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఈజ్ ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ ఓకేనా యూ రెస్పాండ్ వెరీ వెల్ వడ్ ఐ
No, madam.
అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎస్ మై చిల్డ్రన్
No, madam.
అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆర్ యూ వెల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆర్ నాట్ ప్రెసెంట్ టెన్స్ టాపిక్ సే yes or no
Yes, madam.
yes
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
madam. Yes,
బుద్ధులు మీరు బుద్ధులు బోధి చెట్టు కింద తీసుకుపోయినా మీకు బుద్ధి మారదు సే రెస్పాండ్ ఫస్ట్ రెస్పాండ్ ఓకేనా లర్న్ ద క్వశ్చనింగ్ వే
Okay, madam.
Yes, madam.
very well yes very good now stop it then next go to the past tense what is that one first one
Simple past tense.
Simple
Yes.
past
simple past
Past tense.
very good
past tense.
then next one second one
Past continuous tense.
Continuous tense.
yes
Continuous
past
tense.
yes past continuous tense.
Continuous tense.
tense.
Yes, very nice. Very good, children. My children are very intelligent, I hope. Yes,
Yes,
next
ma'am.
past.
Past perfect
Perfect
tense.
tense. Past
Already
perfect
completed
tense.
to second one, Nani. We are right on the blackboard. Third one, past perfect tense. Fourth one,
Tense.
past.
Past perfect continuous
continuous tense.
Yes,
Past perfect continuous
continuous.
tense.
past perfect continuous tense. Very good, very nice. Then now finally we end of the topic, Nani. We leave this topic. Final this topic is completed. We leave it. Okay, na? What is that one? First one in future tense.
Simple future tense.
Future tense.
Yes, very nice. Simple future.
Future
Second one,
tense. Future continuous
Future
tense.
continuous tense.
future continuous. Very good. Third one.
Future perfect tense.
Future perfect tense. Very good. Very good. Fourth one.
Future perfect
Future
continuous
perfect
tense.
continuous tense.
Future perfect.
Future perfect continuous
Perfect
tense.
continuous tense.
Future perfect.
Continuous tense.
Yes. Very good.
Continuous tense.
Amma, another one, Nani. Are you clearly visible to blackboard, Nani? All of you?
Yes, madam.
Yes. So these are the
Yes, madam.
these are the four types in four parts in our present tense, past tense, future tense.
tense,
Only
future
one
tense.
person, Nani, I am asking, say easily. First I repeated that one. You pronounce means you pronounce in very easily, fastly. How it is possible? One. Yes. Tenses. Present tense, past tense. Yes, tenses are four parts: present tense, past tense, future tense. In that present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. Past tense, second one, past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Next, third one, future tense, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. Say like this, only one person. Start. Who? Varshini? Varshini,
Madam.
are you here?
Madam.
Are you?
madam.
Yes. Now say start it.
Tenses are three types.
Yes.
Present tense are four types. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present
Fastly.
perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Second one, past tense. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Third one, future tense. Simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense.
Yes. Next, Varlakshmi.
Tenses are three types. First one, present tense. Simple present tense, simple continuous tense, simple perfect tense, simple perfect continuous tense. Past tense.
Wrong.
Simple past tense.
Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. Don't add with all in simple. Okay, next Satvika. Prepare well, Varalakshmi. Satvika. Yes. Remaining children, you don't worry about Nani. So tomorrow also I am asking like this. Okay, now Varalakshmi, Varshini. Say to your
Okay,
friend.
madam.
Yes. Now,
Okay,
yes.
madam.
You brought the textbooks, all of you?
Yes, madam.
Madam.
Show me the textbook. Yes. How many? Yes. One person. Satvika. Yes. Next, Varshini. Varalakshmi.
Madam.
Varalakshmi. Are you brought the
Madam.
textbook?
Yes, madam.
Yes. Right. All of you, Nani. So listen. So now we are going to explain the lesson. Okay, na? Today we start the lesson to little bit. Okay, na?
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
I hope you know that the what is that one paper pattern. First bit, what is that one? Reading.
Reading.
Yes. Second one, vocabulary, grammar. Third bit goes to creative writing. Reading comprehension means what is they given in our question paper? Reading comprehension. Reading comprehension means it is nothing but passages.
Passage.
Stupid fellow, you all have forgot it. Question paper also.
No, madam.
But are you not give the reply the answer? Yes. First bit, reading comprehension. Second bit, vocabulary grammar. Third bit,
Vocabulary and grammar.
creative writing. So in 9th class, 2 papers are there. Okay, now?
Okay, madam.
Okay,
Yes.
madam.
Now we are going to do the lesson. First lesson. Open the page number 1, Nani. So first unit I show that who don't have the textbook once observe it here. So first unit reading A. So we are going to do reading A. So what is the reading A? Topic name is the snake and the
The snake
mirror.
and the
Yes,
mirror.
open it page number 2. Yes, page number 2. Open it, Nani, all of you. First, we are going to discuss about the face sheet. It is nothing but a picturization. Face sheet. Face sheet, picturization. So, author given to pictures, some pictures, we understand the theme name. So, face sheet, picturization, what they given? One mirror. Here once observe with Nani, page number 2. One mirror is there and one other very different person look outside of the mirror. So, what you understand? Here observe with the picture. What do you understand? So he observed with his beauty. So how can I show the outside of the people? Okay. One. How can I possible to attract with the children? So it is possible to beauty. So your beauty also. So you also observe with on your beauty to with a mirror. So here one person observe with his beauty. So here some question also they given. First question, what would have prompted the monkey. So this person was, they call it to monkey face is this person wear with. That's why we call to monkey. So monkey observe with his beauty here. So the monkey to look as it reflection into mirror. Yes, sir. 3 children. Yes. That's why I show in there. Already I. Yes, sir. I informed. Okay. Yes. So first question. So they given Nani. Monkey reflect as its own reflection into where Nani? With a mirror. So we also at a morning time as you woke up, we also reflection, we also use it with a mirror. Yes, how can I shows to how can I shows to outside in my beauty? Yes, what you are using, Fair and Lovely, like that, so many products we are using. So here they given, so that is the main important thing. Girls are mostly used with a which instrument?
Mirror.
Mirror. You like the mirror, girls?
Yes,
Say.
madam. I like it.
Yes,
Yes, madam, I like it.
I hope Satvika is very too much like it the mirror. Regularly, he can't eat the food. Regularly, he use with a mirror. Yes, Satvika?
Yes, madam. Morning onward. Morning.
Yes, madam.
Yes. So, here, monkey also use with a mirror. Why?
Mirror.
It shows the reflection. It shows our beauty reflection with a mirror. Why we are using Nani mirror? We don't know our beauty. We increase our beauty. Okay, now?
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
You all are using
Okay, madam.
means changing in your own beauty. Okay, na? Natural beauties are there.
Okay, madam.
Natural beauties are there in our class. Satvika,
Madam.
you are the natural beauty. Yes. Now go to the second question. They ask with a second question, what could be the monkey thinking at this point? So monkey reflect within her own beauty to beauty with a mirror. How is look the mirror like this? Like, yes. Yes. Oh my God! I put on the powder and extra like this. How you also outside of the mirror, how you behave like that here, monkey also behave like this. Once observe with Nani this picture. Yes, monkey also use observe with his beauty, beauty. Say yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
madam.
Yes. So
Yes, madam.
this is a face sheet. It is nothing but a picture. Author or narrations, what they how we can understand the lesson name, title name. So before they given to some pictures. So we based upon the picture, after we can analyze it and understand the theme name, means lesson name easily. That's why they given to this type of, before of the lesson we start that, they given to this type of picture. Are you understand now why they are given to pictures?
Understood.
Why they are given to pictures? I am asking. Why? Because of we are easily understand the lesson name.
Lesson.
Yes, lesson name. That's why they given to pictures. So pictures it is nothing but here. What is this one? Face sheet. Face sheet. Okay, now are you understand?
Yes,
Understood.
madam.
Yes, I hope. Next oral discourses topic. This is the speeches. Amma, every lesson they give to oral discourses. Oral discourses means it is this bit goes to creative writing. Means you write on your own words to creative writing. Means oral discourses topic. Don't use with to don't search with other books to outside. This is the your own words. You can make it. You can form your sentences easily. Is there is a spell and any mistakes? Leave it. Okay, now only you can write this one.
Okay, madam.
Okay, Nani. So మిడిల్లో మనకు ఆడియో ఇప్పుడు వీడియో కట్ అయితే డోంట్ గో నాని ఓకేనా రీజాయిన్ ద క్లాసెస్ ఓకేనా
ఓకే మేడం.
అంటే
Okay, madam.
ఓన్లీ 40 మినిట్స్ మాత్రమే మీకు వీడియో కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా సో ఆఫ్టర్ 40 మినిట్స్ ఉందనగా 10 మినిట్స్ బిఫోర్ నాకు ఇక్కడ హింట్ వస్తుంది అప్పుడు నేను మీకు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేశాను ఇప్పుడు సో ఇది మళ్ళీ రీజాయిన్ కావాలి ఓకేనా డోంట్ గో
ఓకే మేడం.
ఓకేనా yes now go to this is the oral discourses tomorrow I ask with the oral discourses what you collect the information what is the topic oral discourses role of humor in your life yes hello are you hear my voice nani all of you
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
role of humor
In our life.
in our life
Life.
so every human being they maintain the humor in our life okay na which type of humorous you can create in your life okay na you take that situation and write the paragraph okay na tomorrow
Okay,
I
madam.
this topic based on the role so in that topic especially your role you can mention it okay na
Okay,
madam.
madam.
yes
Okay,
so,
madam.
so this is the oral discourses so tomorrow we can start the lesson nani so lesson we can start the tomorrow first you read the only page number before you read it is very good habit to you okay na page number third only third page number you can read it who have the textbook that children only read the page number third okay na tomorrow we discuss
Okay,
about the
madam.
page number third part okay na
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
yes
Okay, madam.
after completion the lesson you mention the first lesson name and after write the glossary words only glossary words you write it only glossary words okay na
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
yes tomorrow and day before 2 or 3 days 2 days we complete the first unit so you write the lesson name and write the glossary leave it then next lesson we can start it and after complete the second lesson you write the glossary words lesson name glossary words you leave it okay na like this you are maintain the fair notes and grammar notes okay na who maintain the
Okay,
grammar notes one show me already 2 or 3 class we can completed the one grammar topic tenses one show me any one person girls Varshini that is the fair
Madam.
notes or rough note Varalakshmi show me yes right very good neatly write it okay na very good Varshini what happened are you not maintain the fair notes okay Varalakshmi
Madam, no,
okay.
madam. Today.
Satvika, must and
Madam.
should. Must and should. This is the very, very, very important topic to you. Tenses topic. Okay, now children, keep on your mind. Don't
Okay,
let
madam.
the tenses topic. That topic is very, 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 very important to especially you girls. Okay, na?
Okay,
Madam.
madam. Okay,
Ah.
Okay, madam.
Yes, yes, Nani. Tomorrow, briefly, we will discuss about the snake and the mirror. So here, once we discuss about the snake and the mirror. What is that one? One snake is there and the one mirror is there.
Mirror.
Okay, na? So why snake and mirror both are mingled with the given to lesson name? So some work they doing their work with a snake with a mirror okay na this is the title name so after we are entering briefly we can discuss about the snake and the mirror so before author is there lesson in that author is there yes
Welcome, Muhammad
we
Bashir.
are going to started the lesson so we discuss about the author so who is the author Nani Muhammad about the author Vaikom Muhammad Bashir say once Vaikom
Vaikam Muhammad Bashir.
Yes. So Vaikam
Bashir.
Muhammad Bashir was born.
Bashir.
Yes. Now start the about the author. Don't disturb the class. Keep quiet. Listen. Okay, now.
Okay,
Yes.
madam.
Vaikam Muhammad Bashir, 21st January 1908, he was born, and he was death on 5th July 1994.
1990.
Vaikam Muhammad Bashir was a Malayalam fiction writer. So he was very, very, very fictionate. Means inspiration. He given to motivation to the peoples. So he was a very, very, very famous writer. So Malayalam fictionate writer from the state of Kerala in India. So where he was, Nanish, living from a Kerala. Kerala
Kerala.
from in India. So he
India.
was a humanist, freedom fighter, and novelist and short story writer. So humanist mean very humorous stories. He can write the
Right.
so many different books. Okay, na? Humanist, freedom fighter. So he fight the freedom. He fight to freedom also. Okay, na? So that period he was born in. So that was they called he was a freedom fighter. He was also freedom fighter. Who here? Who was Vaikam Muhammad
Vaikam Muhammad
Muhammad
Bashir.
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 Yes. So next line goes to
Bashir.
he is noted for his down-to-earth style of writing that made him equally popular among literary critics as well as the common man. So he was a very greatest famous person. Still, he was very his writer his novels are very moderating. Okay, na? See, situation means generation like that century. Which generation we are like it? So suitable to that generation of novels. Okay, now next he
Okay.
is regarded as one of the most successful and very very outstanding of the writer from the in our India. He was a very 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 famous writer in our India. Not
India.
only a famous and very successful person in our life. He was a very successful person in our life and very, 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 very famous person in our India. So where he was living Nani? Kerala. So
Kerala.
and he was translation of his works into other languages also. Not in Malayalam goes to which language? Malayalam. So he translated into Malayalam language novels into English and English poets novels are all are translated into Malayalam language. So he can translate very easily and people who are read the novels they can easily understand his novels. So next his notable works include the Balya Kalasaki, next Shabdangal, next Matilukal and Anarga Nimisham. What he was, Nani? Very, 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 yes. Where Nani? Translation of his works into other languages and have won him worldwide acclaim. The story, yes, worldwide acclaim. So many worldwide famous. So many novels are there. In that novel, one of the famous novel goes to what is that one? The Snake and the Mirror. And leave
Mirror.
the Snake and the Mirror, very world famous novel, and what this novel was translated into English. Actually, the Snake and the Mirror novel in first which language is there? Malayalam.
Malayalam.
So our Vaikam Muhammad Bashir was translated into which language? This novel, The Snake and the Mirror novel, translate into which language?
English.
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 Very good. So he translate into the Snake and the Mirror novel in Malayalam into English. So
English.
he's not this type of novel. So many collectivity novels are there. In these names, all are they given. What is that one?